Hi everyone! We've just released Text Case Converter for WordPress version 2.0, a major update focused on clarity and speed. Before you update, please back up your site. In this video, I'll show you what's new and exactly how to use it in your daily writing workflow. After activation, open the plugin dashboard and you'll notice a clean, tabbed interface. In Welcome, you'll find a short overview, a help section, and a link to the video tutorial you're watching now. There's also a Missing a Feature button. Use it anytime to suggest improvements. Your feedback directly shapes our roadmap. In Settings, you can toggle the conversion types you want handy, like uppercase, lowercase, title case, sentence case, and SEO developer-friendly options. You can also choose where the converter shows up, in the editor side panel or on a separate tools page, whichever fits your workflow. When you're done, click Save Changes and you're ready to go. Using the converter is simple. Classic Editor, type or paste your text. Open the Classic Editor panel, choose a case style and insert or replace. Elementor Text Editor, select your content. Open the Converter panel from the sidebar or Tools page. Pick a case style, then paste back. It's fast, accurate, and saves tons of manual edits. A few everyday uses. Turn messy copy into sentence case for readability. Convert headings to title case consistently. We'd love your input. Open the Welcome tab and click Missing a Feature to request anything you'd like to see next. If you need help, the support link in the Welcome tab takes you straight to us. That's Text Case Converter version 2.0, a smoother, clearer way to keep your content consistent. Thanks for watching, and thanks for using Text Case Converter.